If you're a first-gen daughter, I already know this about you. Nobody taught you money, not in school, not at home, not even the basics. And hey, I'm not judging. I kept all my money in a checking account for years. I knew I had to clean that up, so I taught myself, built a system, and got good enough to manage other people's money. I went down a rabbit hole. Some good stuff, the financial diet, the broke millennial, buried under a lot of noise. Old, male, and pale. Finance bros selling courses, whole life insurance pitches. Old school money rules everywhere. But slowly, I stopped being confused. I built something I call the invisible money method. Automate your money the second you get paid. Savings, investments, bills handled. What's left over? You blow it on whatever you want. Simple, and it works. Fast forward, I'm on a team helping manage millions of dollars. I'm looking at what we're setting up for clients, and I'm like, wait. This is what I was already doing. The thing I built when I was broke and confused, same principles, now just more zeros. I spent years thinking I was behind. Turns out I was ahead. And that's when I got mad. Why isn't this taught in school? Because if they wanted to teach it, they would. But what kind of worker bees would we be if we all had fuck you money? So I'm giving you the playbook for free. No paywall, no $10,000 advisor. You don't need a professional to get good with money. Coming from a professional. Step 1, make your money invisible. Paycheck hits, most of it sent out to work automatically. Savings, Roth IRA, investments, bills moved before you can spend it. This is what I did when I was broke. It's also what millionaires pay advisors to do. Same thing, different tax bracket. 6 months from now, you could have a fully funded emergency fund you forgot you were building. Step 2, spend what you see. That's your visible money. After automation, what's left is yours. Coffee, dinner, that unplanned snack run to the Asian store that somehow always costs $75. You spend it guilt-free. Your future is already handled. And this part matters so much, so don't skip it. If there's nothing left at the end of the month, this isn't a systems issue, it's an income issue. Get the raise, get the new job. You can't save your way out of poverty. Here's what I need you to hear. You don't need years of studying. You don't need a certification. You don't need to pay anyone. You need a system that moves your money before you touch it. That's it. I built mine before I knew what I was doing, before I worked with rich clients to implement it for them. If you're still here, I know you're already getting good with money. This week, set up one automation. That's it. Make your money invisible. Then go live your life. Every month you wait is a month your money sits instead of works for you. All right, watch this next. It's the full invisible money method. Everything you need to get started. And send this to someone who has never been taught how to money. And that's how we close the wealth gap, get rich, and stay ungovernable. All right, see you next Sunday, friends. Bye.